So, we'll install the gktech lure control arm bushing. Push out the old one and push in those ones. So I'm about to put my old lower control arms back onto the Z and put these bad boys on. So yeah, that's what I gotta do today. So got done with that. It's in now. Hopefully it's better. So the other one, right, didn't fit well. If you can see, I actually cut the bolts so I can put that cotter pin through using the other one. I guess the knuckles are of course different size joint things. These triangle parts. This one is like longer and wider. The old ones are different than 07, 08s. I don't know. But that was my mod to kind of keep it in place with you. Just cut the nut so you can try to get that cotter pin through. But this is what it looks like with the gktech lure control arm bushing in. But yeah, I'm not gonna bore you with the other side. We'll get that side done and see what it do. All right. All right. Well, did the other side already. So yeah. This is what it should look like. Now, I don't know if you can see it. So no more bad bushing, yeah? Hopefully. Also, plan is to get the gktech super lock lure control arm. Gets rid of the regular control arm. And this, how do we call this? It's a part. Yeah, I guess rid of that part. But gotta see what the funds to do that first. So, but yeah, looks like it's in, it's tight. And I'll go test drive it. See if it works or breaks. Alright.